Welcome to Tech Beads. In today's video, we'll be showcasing 13 cool tools that you probably didn't know existed before. From a versatile ratcheting socket tool to a heavy-duty dual scraper, these gadgets are sure to make your DIY projects a breeze. So sit back, relax, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech content like this. According to its creator, this innovative adjustable ratcheting tool is the latest breakthrough in hand tools. It combines the functions of a universal ratcheting tool, an adjustable wrench, and a vice grip all in one tool. The designer has already patented this invention and is willing to discuss production with interested parties. The patent documentation is quite extensive and filled with technical information. Among the advantages of the tool is its clever three-sided nut and bolt gripping system, its compact size, and the fact that its design can be scaled to make the tool larger or smaller. The tool shown on the screen is just a prototype, with the designer planning to reduce its size by 40% and add even more functions. Our next item is a dispenser designed for painters, which can be a real-time saver when it comes to preparing a room for painting. One side of the dispenser is for loading a roll of masking film or paper, while the other side is for a roll of painter's tape. According to the manufacturer, the 3M hand masker can help you work 4 to 5 times faster than usual, thanks to its efficiency and convenient design. The dispenser also offers the option to install a special cutting blade for the cleanest possible trimming. Although the price for the tool is $45 and the blades cost $25.50, the quality of this product is reflected in the fact that the manufacturer is one of the largest US companies by revenue. With real estate prices dropping in the country, this dispenser can be a valuable asset for professionals looking to work quickly and efficiently. Woodworking has been a popular trend in Europe for years, and wooden projects are gaining more attention due to their unique designs. For instance, in Stockholm, Sweden, residents preferred wooden apartment buildings over other designs. Hence, woodworking tools have become essential for building wooden projects. One such tool is the DECKPRO, which is designed to provide an extra hand for installing decking. It can handle boards that are 85 to 150 millimeters wide and allows for hidden fastening. Even beginners can use it, and the top handle can withstand a pressure of up to 100 kilograms. The boards can be spaced from 3 to 7.5 millimeters apart, making it perfect for different types of wooden projects. This tool is reasonably priced at $61. When it comes to cutting through materials on a worksite, a reciprocating saw can prove to be an invaluable tool. And the Eibenstock EDB 480.1, a German-made model, offers some unique features that make it stand out from the competition. This reciprocating saw boasts a double blade that allows it to cut through a variety of materials, such as hollow bricks, drywall, foam concrete, plastic, and wood. Its 4-meter-long cable, coupled with its weight of roughly 6 kilograms, provides plenty of freedom of movement while using it on site. Plus, the handle can be positioned on either side, and the blower option not only protects you from dust but also adds convenience to the saw's design. Thanks to its compact size, the Eibenstock EDB 480.1 is an excellent choice for use in confined spaces, such as when working at heights or underground. While this high-quality German tool comes with a hefty price tag of around $933, its superior performance and durability make it a wise investment for professionals who rely on their power tools to get the job done right. Next on our list is a powerful pneumatic post driver called the Man-Saver. This tool is especially useful in rural areas and farms to mark boundaries. This particular model boasts a high number of strokes per minute at 75, weighs 15 kilograms, and can generate a maximum pressure of 5.5 bar. It comes with a standard adapter that is suitable for round posts up to 6 centimeters, and interchangeable adapters can be purchased for square or custom-shaped posts. Some people find it intriguing that, while the technology is impressive, others are willing to bypass manual labor and opt for this tool. Many argue that it is better to go to the gym and work out manually and much faster than using this tool. The cost of the Man-Saver is $795, which could buy you several gym memberships. Moving forward, we have an impressive tool designed for the removal of flooring materials, the Marshalltown Heavy Duty Dual Scraper. This tool features a unique dual blade system which allows for easy removal of tiles, vinyl, wood, and even tough materials. The tool is 142 centimeters in length and boasts a slightly curved handle with a non-slip grip, adding comfort to your work. Additionally, the blades can be sharpened by the user when needed, providing a longer lifespan for the tool. With its ability to handle demanding jobs, the manufacturer has set a price of $47 for this tool. The importance of safety when opening packages cannot be overstated, especially in today's world where people send all sorts of things through the mail. To help you with this, we have the Olfa SK16 knife, which is designed for clean and efficient cutting. With a cutting width of 6.5 mm, this blade is perfect for stretch wrap, cardboard, plastic strips, adhesive tape, and even flooring repairs. The knife's design is both convenient and safe, with only a small part of the blade exposed. Additionally, the blade can be replaced without requiring any tools. One of the most significant advantages of the Olfa SK16 is its weight. It weighs in at only 52 grams, making it easy to carry several with you to work and share with your coworkers. And, with a price tag of just $14, it's an affordable addition to your toolbox. So, the next time you need to open a package or cut some material, make sure you have an Olfa SK16 knife on hand. Its fast and efficient cutting capabilities, combined with its safe design and affordability, make it a must-have for anyone who values convenience and efficiency in their work. Attention bicycle enthusiasts! Here's a handy tool that will be useful both for bike enthusiasts and bike shop owners alike. The Prestacycle TorqRatchet combines the benefits of a multi-tool and a torque wrench, ensuring that each bolt is tightened with precise torque control. This is crucial because over-tightening a bolt can cause it to break. The torque wrench can handle up to 16 Nm of force, which is more than enough for installing pedals. The tool comes with 12 bits of various sizes stored in a convenient pocket that comes with the tool case. This means less assembly time and more time spent riding. The Prestacycle TorqRatchet is the perfect solution for both beginners and professionals. It's lightweight too, weighing only about 200 grams, making it easy to carry with you on your ride. Best of all, it's priced at an affordable $50. If you've ever watched your neighbor laboring away at a remodeling project for hours on end, you might want to introduce them to the Quadsaw. This innovative box cutter is a game changer, allowing users to create rectangular or square holes for outlets, switches, and other applications quickly and easily. All you need to do is attach it to a drill, and you're ready to go. The manufacturer claims that the Quadsaw is 4 times faster than traditional cutting methods, and it provides perfect results every time. The blade is adjustable in depth and can make up to 280 cuts on drywall up to 3.4 centimeters thick. Additionally, using this tool generates less debris, and if you want to eliminate it completely, you can connect the tool to a dust removal system via an adapter. Purchasing a standard kit for the Quadsaw will set you back around $200. This price point includes the cost of manufacturing in the UK. However, given the efficiency and precision of this innovative tool, it's undoubtedly worth the investment for anyone who wants to get their remodeling projects done quickly and accurately. So why not help your neighbor out and suggest they give the Quadsaw a try? Introducing the PRO R19 Hamertacker, a unique tool that combines the functionality of a staple gun and a hammer. It's perfect for a wide range of applications, from stapling labels and posters to insulation. With the ability to use 4 to 6 mm staples, this model is extremely versatile. Its all-metal construction ensures durability, and at 410 grams, it's lightweight and easy to handle. The non-slip handle provides excellent balance and grip, making it easy to use and work quickly and efficiently. The tool costs $50, and you can buy a pack of 2,506 mm staples for $7.5. It's a valuable addition to any toolkit, and it's sure to come in handy for a variety of tasks. Our next product recommendation is a drill attachment that's perfect for cutting through steel plates effortlessly. The SALI drill plate cutter is compatible with most 12 to 21 volt drills and is made of high manganese steel, allowing it to cut through steel plates of any thickness. It's also incredibly easy to install and comes with a tool for installation. With this attachment, you'll be able to save both time and effort during your DIY projects. And the best part? It's priced at just $11.50, making it an affordable addition to your tool collection. This device is designed to transform a regular cordless drill into a powerful pump, providing a flow rate of 3 liters per minute at 1200 RPM. It features chemical-resistant polymer hoses that are capable of withstanding harsh conditions, such as pumping motor oil for extended periods of time. With a comfortable 1 meter length, the hoses are suitable for various pumping applications. Although the SP QuickFlow is relatively new to the market, it has already garnered a lot of attention due to its exceptional performance and versatility. However, this cutting-edge technology comes at a price, with a current cost of $335. Nonetheless, it appears to be a worthy investment for anyone who values efficiency, convenience, and durability in their power tools. Our next product is an award-winning mini trencher that's perfect for installing pipes, cables, and drainage systems where space and time are limited. The TerraTrencher can dig a trench up to 750 millimeters deep with ease, and it's a one-person job. The best part is that it won't leave a mess behind, making it a great tool for small and tight spaces. The manufacturer boasts about the limitless applications of the product, but some customers disagree. According to comments, it may not be effective on extremely dry or hard soils. The price is also on the higher side, with the trencher costing $2,900 and the set with the dolly priced at $5,900.